Hello and welcome. In this video, I am going to show you some things about page components. Page components are the stepping stones for building your website's pages. These items are used to basically, build your page block by block and make it look very neat, cool, and tidy. So let's go over the groups of components that we have available. First things first, we have the layout components. Layout components are incredibly important because these help you determining where you want to show certain things on your page. Meaning, if you want to show an image on the left-hand side, you use your page components to navigate your media component, your image, to the left-hand side of your page, or the other way around. And you can use way more of that with the layout components. Make sure to have a look in our documentation for the optimized use for layout components. There's navigation components. These will help you navigate or create a navigation flow for in your application. Content components allow you to put pieces of text, media, buttons, pieces of visualization in your application or on your page. Buttons will help you trigger certain events or navigate around your application. Data components are used to load in data with the quick data components. Either you can load in data using the data tab, in which you can add the data variables yourself, or you drag a data table onto your canvas to immediately show data. Forms are used to create or basically submit data. So maybe you want to ask someone their address so that you know where to send a postal package to. You can add a create form onto the page, and this create form will create the shipping address for a user after filling in the appropriate details. Then there are list items allowing you to list bits of data or bits of text on your canvas, on your page. Card components are a neat section of components that show multiple bits of data. This will be a combination of a header, card media, and card actions. This is a pre-styled component that you can also find within our widget segment. And then there are logic components. Logic components allow you to set a logic filter. This is more of an advanced component, but it allows you to check, hey, is the role of this user an admin or a regular web user, a visitor? We want to show some other information than we would previously do. Or maybe you want to set logic as in, hey, is the color of this fruit orange? Then show an orange. Is the color of this fruit yellow? Then show an image of a banana, etc. That's the items that you can do with logic. So let's quickly drag and drop some items on this page. We can drag a navigation bar to the top of our page because, I would like my users to be able to navigate around. I'm going to set a 1 column, a 2 column, and another 1 column. This will sort of determine the structure of my layout. So first things first, in the top column, I'm going to drag the media component. And I think that this media component is taking up a little too much space. So what I can do is I can click on the component, and as you can see, a component option menu opens. Each component has a bunch of options that will help you allow you to style and set the specifics for this component. I would like it to take up less height and take up the full width of what is available. So I'm going to the spacing segment or the styling segment, and I'm going to say 100% of the width. That's accurate, but I will only allow you to take up 200 pixels of the height. I'm going through these options quite quickly, but I would like to invite you to check out all these options and how you can set them up. And I'm going to drag some other components onto my page to get a quick idea of how you can build these pages. And then the last item that I'm going to be dragging is an avatar. And this is how you can work with your components. Have you, basically created a component or added a component to your page that you really like and want to use again? Click on the component and you can duplicate it. And by pressing the duplication button, it will appear on your page multiple times, and you can drag this around wherever you want it to be. Did you drag it somewhere, or is it somewhere on your page you don't want it? You can simply press the bin and remove it from your page. Is there a lot on your page and do you need a bit of a better overview? Press the component tree in the page settings, and here you can see all the items on your page. So have a look through all the components and start building your first pages.